Here we will cover the job board page of MAP. Oftentimes, tasks can be computationally heavy and take some time to run. For example, the creation of Trelliscope displays may take a while to complete. In Mode, let's build a Trelliscope display. Now let's check its status in MAP. In the first column, we can see the application that the job was submitted from. The job name is the same as what we call the job in Mode, which in this case we call Trelliscope job. The status tells me whether a job is running, completed, or errored out. The message column lets me see the latest message from the running job. Started and ended lets the user know when the job began and when it finished. Click the refresh button to see the latest status of your job. Oh look, the Trelliscope job completed. It will now appear in the Manage Files tab where it can be downloaded. If your jobs continue to error out, please report the issue in the link shared in the video description. Be specific with what data you're using and how you got the error. Thanks!